guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will be making some really utterly glorious tasty scones, and to stop the argument over cream first or jam first, or you're doing it the Cornish way, you're doing it the Devonshire way. Today we are making some savoury scones. They don't have cream or jam, they're just some nice savoury ingredients, so they're not sweet. It's lovely and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. For this recipe you will need 200 grams of flour, which is what I've got in here. And then you will need 50 grams of margarine, and it might look small, but it's what you only need. And then you need a bowl of milk. First, preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius. And Mike, can you edit something in Fahrenheit for the American people? There we go. Then you want to grease a baking tray, and for this recipe I'm using margarine, and it's going to take quite a while, so with the power of editing, wow, editing is so good, it's all nice and greased now. Then you want to put your flour in a mixing bowl, so I've got mine here, a bit cloudy, and then you want to add your margarine, which I've got in here. I'm tired. After that, you want to rub in thy holy flour with your fingertips into thy holy margarine, and thus glory shall shine all around. And you want to kind of get it breadcrumby. So in the mince pies recipe that we did the other day, that was breadcrumbs as well. It's the same sort of thing, it's based around pastry scones. They just had to be handled very carefully. It's going to take quite a while, so the power of editing. So now that the flour is all mixed in with the margarine, it's all nice and smooth. Now we have to add something that will spice it up. So you can either have 75 grams of cheese, half a diced onion, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, or you can have some sweet corn or some mushrooms. Ugh. So now you need to stir in your chosen ingredient. I'm using cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. If you don't want cheese, or you're allergic to it, or it's just purely disgusting to you having it in a scone, that's not a problem. You can use one of the alternatives. Onion, I think, tastes sort of like the cheese. You want to just plop that in there. I'm just going to use a spoon, and you want to make sure that it's all nicely combined and distributed. And then what you want to do is you want to scoop it down the sides. So yes, you want to make a well, and you want to kind of make sure that it stays nicely. Then you want to go and get a tablespoon. Make sure it's clean, obviously, don't be disgusting. What you want to do is just fill the tablespoon. If the dough doesn't form, don't worry, just keep adding small amounts of milk. If you add a bit too much milk, just add a bit of flour as well. And now it's in a sort of small ball. And then what you want to do is you want to get your rolling pin. Hopefully you will have it in your kitchen. And then you just spread around the flour. Not too much, not too little. Grab some of the flour, put it on the rolling pin, make sure it's nice and floured up. And then you want to push down in the middle, go in, fold them back, and then go fold them back the other way. And you want to get it rolled out nice and approximately to around 2.5 centimetres. You can go thinner, but it's nice to be a decent thickness. And then you want to get a cookie cutter that's a decent size, what you think the size of a scone is. It depends what you think, but hopefully we'll be making 12, so be accurate with this. You want to use the top to the flat side to just cut some really nice circles and go as close together as possible so you can get the most out of your dough. Mine are quite thin, which isn't a great thing, but you can go thicker. It's just because I haven't rolled my dough that thick. It's not that even either. What you can use You can get them on Amazon. Mike put a little picture in here. They're little rolling guides, and basically you put your rolling pin on top of them, and they kind of help it go to the right. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just have a go. And then what you want to do is, once you've got your scones, just place them on the tray that we prepared earlier. They'll look decently like this. They don't have to be in the right order as these, don't worry about that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a silicone brush, like you might have seen in a couple of episodes before, and just like with the mince pies, I'm going to brush the tops with milk. So you don't need that much milk, it's just enough that will go across the bottom of the thing. And I've got a ramekin for the container of the milk. And then you just want to get some milk on the brush and just brush it along. And if you're wondering why the sound or the video looks different, it is because I have a new camera and a new microphone, and hopefully I'll have a new review coming out on my filmmaking channel called English Quality Films, which I share with my friend. And also, YouTube update, I've become an editor for my friend called Awesome Pizza 25, so please go and check out the channel. But yeah, it's a really lovely camera, the Nikon D5300, and the microphone is the Rode VideoMicro Go. I really recommend it. With my experience with it already, it's been like a week or two, and it's really, really good. So the lenses and everything, and the autofocus and the manual focus, it's just brilliant. It's what I need. So if you would like good intermediate filmmaking gear, that's what I got. And it's got a flip screen and it's really cool. And then you can put that weird fluffy thing on the microphone and you look like a proper BBC guy. I should shut up. This is going to take ages to edit. Now guys, you will want to put your little lovely scones that are ready to be baked in the baking machine, or otherwise called the oven. And now I'm going to put a timer for 12 minutes. If it needs any more cooking and they're not golden brown when you take them out, just wait a couple of more minutes. Don't make sure every minute that you check them, because they can go easily stale, well, hard and burnt, and they're horrible, so please don't do that. Do I actually have to clean up? Oh, come on, this is not fair. Yeah, but guys. I'm sorry, I'm just talking to the production team. Yeah, but no. Because I didn't see that on the script. Oh. A time lapse of me washing up? Okay, sure, we can do that, we can film it. Ooh yeah, baby, I've got a such out of tune voice. Still done. If you're doing the cheese ones, they'll have lots of cheesy spots all over them, which is really, really good, because it shows that the cheese has fully baked. And then what you want to do is transfer them onto here. Whoa, everything is so good. I've transferred them all over. And this cold pizza will be real good. You want to leave these cool, and I'll come back in a minute when they're all cooled off. So now it is tasting time, and I have the micro scone that we cooked earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little taste. So they're really nice. I really like the cheese ones. If you hate cheese, don't cook these because they're really cheesy and they're really nice. And they have a nice, lovely, fluffy texture inside, and they just taste scrumptious. You know those cheese sticks, like cheese twist things? Might put a picture. You know that you get from the local supermarket. They taste like those, but in scone form. It's so much better than the normal sweet scones, I promise you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, or if you haven't already, because this year my New Year's resolution is to do a video every single month. So we're going to have 12 videos this year to add to the 17 that we have already. Yeah, I've started a new channel. If you haven't seen it already, we did a review on the Logitech G920, which is a force feedback really cool wheel that my mate got for his Christmas. So there's a link to the channel in the description so you can have a look. And also congratulations to my friend who's now got 7,000 video views on his channel, which I think is quite amazing. And he's coming up to 400 uploads. So yeah, shout out to Tic Tac Yo. I did a video with him in the Rice Krispie Cakes video, but I'll put a link in the description as well. And I've become an editor of Awesome Pizza 25, so link in the description as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed your new marvellous creation if you followed along with the video. If there's anything that I might have missed and you want me to show you in the next videos that you want to see better, just let me know in the comments below. Wow, I'm a poet and I didn't know. Oh my god. This just joined like Speak, so why not subscribe? Anyway, yeah, see you next video. Oh, you'll see me. Goodbye. Just bye. Bye. Bye-bye.